You know the worst thing about being stuck on this planet?
No, what?
The lack of internet connection. My Wi-Fi just does not work and my iPad is just useless because I left my charger on Earth. And what really bugs me is that I had a great home business on Earth that I could do anywhere. Even lying on the beach with my iPad.
What was the business?
I was marketing Resorts 360 Vacation Club on my website www.iwanttotravel.com. People from all over the world were involved and I was doing great. That's how I was able to come here. Now I'm stuck and no new clients.
Don't you get a passive income from those in your team? So really while you're here you are making money from others in your team?
Yes, I guess so, but I want to build it more so I can stay in 6-star luxury when I travel.
Hey, this is 6-star.
Sorry. Your planet is very nice but the purple oceans just don't do it for me.
Fine. I get it. Why don't you use your interstellar roaming? And ask the front desk for an iPad adapter. People are always leaving them here.
Really?
Of course, we even have an Apple store in the mall.
Yes, that's great. How can I ever thank you?
Well, you could give me that website again so I can get my business going and get out of this hellhole.
Okay. That's www.iwanttotravel.com. That's the number 2 and a dash between all the words. www.iwanttotravel.com.
Okay, I got it the first time. No need to repeat yourself over and over and over again.
If you join as an Elite Life member you get lifetime membership.
Great, we live for 200 years. I'm sure I can make a few trips and gain some good income in that time.
Super. Now where's the bar?